Hello guys, so coming into market open, I'm bullish. Previous day high hasn't been taken. Yes, there's an SMT, but this is a invalid SMT in my point of view, since there's previous day high here and we got a gap here. So that those alone are a strong draw on liquidity, mate. Alright, so this for me, this is invalid for me personally. Understand an invalid SMT. Don't be taking don't be trading off SMTs because of the sake of it. It doesn't make sense. Just literally take trades that make sense. Look, previous day highs here, and we got this over here. Those are strong drawn liquidity. All right. So yeah, coming to market open, I'm bullish. All right. Same here. Previous day high. Yeah, all of that good stuff. Cool. Cool. That's it. That's it. That is my analysis. There's nothing more to go over. I just realized something. I just literally realized something. All right. No News Monday. It looks like I don't think I'm gonna trade. I don't know, it depends on how we deliver, but no News Monday, yeah, that kind of just put me off already, but oh well. Let's see what is popping, alright? Alright guys, so market opens in about, oh, damn, I'm an old man. Parents just randomly gave me more, like, gave me food, bro, but I can't eat it now. And look, I'm seeing offer it SMT at the lows. 15-minute. Win a 4 hour gap as well. If you're trying to short here, you're stupid. We're literally on a 4 hour gap. Why are you shorting? I know a lot of people has gone for, and why you like here buying is the worst. Like, look, we got these lows stacked up. These lows, and even if the hourly inverses, remember, we still got 4 hour, mate. And there's another 4 hour. Like, bro, no, it makes no logic to long here or short. Let's just see. I might be wrong. We might get a nice We might get a nice reaction of here, and then we could just long here. Let's see. All right, market opened. Off rip, we got previous daily EQ tapped. SNT at the lows. All right, if we manage to get a cheeky pullback, I'll actually enter longs over here, off of here. Let's see. Can we get a long position off of here? I mean, bro, we're taking out various highs. Oh, it's really sickening sometimes to trade. Off rip. Let's just wait for 5 minutes, yeah? Let's wait for 5 minutes for market to like settle. The volume is insane. We might even take out previous data already before you know it. Yep. Bro. If we get all of these out, I'm just gonna not look at the charts. If we take previous day high and this level specifically, I'm just not gonna trade. I'm just gonna come off the charts because I'll just make a dumb trading decision. And off rip, I do want to take a trade because look, SMT at the lows here, it would make sense. Why not? We have taken this high. Yes, we have, mate. Yes, we have. Doesn't mean we're gonna short this, no. Okay. Let's see what we do here. Let's see this reaction. Let's see. The thing is, if I try to get along here, for example, it would be so risky. It wouldn't make any sense to try to risk that much. Let's see. I mean, even if we take previous day ham, I would want this to get taken. So I'll still look for a continuation move. But off rip, I like what I'm seeing, because I mean this was SMT, but now we create an SMT here. We're just printing Drake candles. I wanted to long here, but you see, I still need to gather data for 9:30 open. You know, haven't done that, so we're chilling, guys. We're chilling. But why would this be valid? I mean, bro, we're tapped into the 4 hour hourly. All right, cool. We might get a cheeky reverse here. Let's see. This is why you gotta be patient, because you might just get fumbled here. You actually might get fumbled here for whoever longed. But yeah, let's see. Hourly. Let's see. Let's see. Yes, I don't know. Yes, it's just dumping. I mean, bro. Yes, it's just dumping. 5 minute. You still. I'll still be open to long. But no, I don't know, man. This is okay. If we get a CISD off rip here, we'll go into longs, because but we'd need a CISD, and I would hold about, depending on what is, but I'll probably I'll do here. My full TP would be this daily gap over here. That would be my full TP. If we get a market. I don't like this, you know. Okay, we tapped into here. We're getting some. I'd put 12 contracts and see what's popping. Okay, if we get a CISD off of here, we're open to long. Off here, let's see how the 5 minute. Let's see what the 5 minute is doing. It depends as well with the 5 minute. 3 minute. Okay, we created a 3 minute gap. Alright, it all depends on what we do with this 3 minute gap, to be fair. Now that I see. If we get a little cheeky inverse off of that. I mean, inverse. I don't even know. All I want to say is, if I see displacement. Okay, we tapped into here. I want to see some sort of reaction going back. Let's see. If we get a green candle, we're in. If we get a green candle, we're in. but a good one. It has to like take this high, for example. Okay, and I would break even straight after here. Daily gap is here. Daily gap is here, so I need a proper. I don't know, man. It isn't respecting nothing. 15 minute. We have taken out a very interesting high. 5 minute. Let's see, we're still forming like a little gap over here. Let's see, because depending on how we close. Prices, I don't know if you can realize, but price is slowing down. So this is a good, but look, we're in a 3 minute. Let's see how we. I don't know when this 3 minute started to come. Alright. Look here, I don't want to take a. Alright, let's see. Why should I not? We have taken out a high, but I don't. Like previously, I looked so clean to me. It wouldn't make any sense. Alright. However, we're printing a 1. I would want to see how this. Look. Reason why I wouldn't take this long. Okay. Because we're still here. A 5 minute. 5 minute. Over here. Patience. This is what I mean, bro. Not many people have this sort of patience. I'm not looking too long over here. Let's see the 15 minute. I mean, bro, that's so weird. It's so they're on the very. They're not correlating. They're not correlating for trash, bro. 5 minute. I mean, let's see, bro. Yeah. I mean, bro, trying along of here is very trying to short here is very unvalid. You know, shorting here, no clear draw. Why would I not short here? As I said, we got all of these 4 win a gap. You're basically saying yes, mate. You're basically saying yes, mate. I'm just gonna chill. I'm just gonna eat, bro. If you're Ecuadorian, if you know, get to know some Watita. I think it's Watita, yeah. Okay. Let's see how we react to fail. We could go over here. Tap this here and then go higher. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. I wouldn't want to long here. Why? We got these low, this low, this low. And what ES looks like it wants to do is it wants to go lower. Don't ask me why, but I know ES is acting up weird. NQ is not NQing. So far, I'm not liking what I'm seeing with price action. I ain't gonna enter shorts. I promised myself that I ain't. So you could be like, oh, there's clear shorts. Yeah, for you, bro. So, but for me, I ain't shorting that. No clear structure. And longing here, there's no clear signal on longing. So I'd rather be eating my watita, knowing that I'm not gonna trade and take a stupid trade and then lose for the sake of losing. What? What? Imagine taking a short of fear to previous day EQ. Instantly, you have to put your stops at break even. Like, it wouldn't make sense as well. Look, it just wouldn't. Look, that. See, it would have stopped me out. See. Um. Look how we close them. What I can say is we have tapped into this gap. We have shown a clear reaction. But it isn't clear to me that we want to go higher. You know what I'm saying? He just tapped into this gap over here. You know, you can use previous gaps as a way It's so bro, I don't want to take this, yo. Because I feel like it will be such a dumb loss. Why would I take this long? We still got all of these lows. I'll need further confirmations. But it's getting no, there's no confirmations to be taken, bro. Like, this price action is disgusting. Let it cool off, innit? One thing, this is a dead ass setup. Follow my rules and I'll get paid. Follow my rules and I'll get paid. Shorting and longing here is like, has to be one of the worst. Like, man. We still are holding this gap, you know what I'm saying? If we go, we'll need it to bounce higher. But I'll need like I need I need a break. I don't need a break to be like, okay, we're going in the longs. Stops here. And take profit would be here. Just off this, I'd pass my account, I think, just with 1.3. So like 1.34. Alright. Only reason to long this is but I realized one point in my life, like this is hella stressful, bro. I might just doom scroll low key. Okay. I don't know, bro. This is weird. So low key, I could have actually cooked with that one trade. But bro, we don't want to trade off. Or I probably would have stopped at break even, but I probably would have fumbled that hole, and I would have been like, oh yeah, look. Most definitely, I would have probably fumbled it, and I would have put my stops like probably like here. That would have been my take profit as well, like probably there. But let's be realistic. I would have been like, I'm so glad I didn't take any trade. All right, we hit previous day EQ. Yeah, this looks kind of dead. Not gonna lie. We hit this. Okay. We hit previous day EQ. We have a good reaction. If we inverse this, I'm in. Look, we even respecting it. Inverse this and we're in. But I would need a good confirmation to go longs here. So before. Oh yeah, this is perfect. Okay. 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 No, what the hell? Oh, this is not where I wanna trade to, bro. Okay, so I would need about I'll run up 8 contracts. Damn, bro, this is the struggle of we have hit a very good point of interest. So this could be a good trade potentially. But this can't. We run it up. Yeah, this is a good. Let's see. ES looks like it wants to take out these lows though. Would it make sense to take that long, even if we inverse? Now that I'm thinking about it, like cold, would it make any sort of sense? I think no. Yes, man. Taking a mic. Did create a lovely. I mean, I could say SMT ski, but this is not a high probability trade. Well, yeah. Look, all of these lows as well, but I can't lie though. We are rejecting off this gap nicely though. Can't lie. Let's see. We'll give it a go. We'll give it a go. But I need displacement. Like, I will not be trading in here if I don't see a displacement. Does that make any sort of sense? I need displacement. I need big boy candles. I need these sort of candles. Look at the difference between this and this. Look at the difference between this. Look. I'm not seeing this sort of energy. Look, this is one candle is 47 points. One of these candles, look, 26 points. You see that difference, bro? Oh yeah, dad. Let's see. Wow. Not gonna lie. We did tap here. There's no like, yeah, we gotta eat more. So, what I would have loved seeing is an instant move up. When we saw that move down, okay. Not this, yeah. And shorting here is the worst thing that you could ever do. Because shorting here can literally make you die. We tapped into hourly gap. We tapped into, yeah, it just. Good thing that we're building patience, but. Because. Before I would be like, long in here wouldn't be good because of this, you know, all of these sell, but we haven't completed the objective, which is here and previously had. So I'll be open to long, but what is this, mate? This is horrendous. Honestly, I don't like what I'm seeing. This is horrendous. I might even I might even just not trade. No News Monday. Literally finished my food, bro. Oh. Low-key a bit mad though, but just deep this. We got all of these lows here stacked. But then, if you look at the bigger picture, we got this hourly. It all depends how we close this hourly as well. If we get a closure below this hourly, I can't lie, I'm not looking to short. Because it's just going against the trend and it's just forcing trades, bro. Like, we want to see a good trade. Like, I'm looking at this and I'm getting very disappointed. I'll be honest. I'm looking at this. And I don't want to... I look at this, I'm like, do I really want to trade this? So it all depends on how we close. If we close good, if we close like that, we'll just lock my accounts and just call it a day, bro. Because there's no real trading. There's no real trades to take. Or I would need very much further confirmations. But look, we've got another gap here. Max, I would probably take the traders here. Max, you know what I'm saying? But taking a trade here is also forcing it. Look at the volume. Horrendous. Horrendous volume. Okay. This looks horrid. I don't like this. Nope. I don't like this. Because short and hit means I have the potential. It has the potential. Yeah, boy. And short in here means I don't care. Guys, it's normal. Holy moly, man. Alright, bro. Let me just pause the recording because I feel like it's going to be some long trade. And if I get into a trade, I'll just take. But this is dead. Say something to the YouTube, bro. Say something to the YouTube. What did you just do, bro?
What did I just do?
Yeah, what did you just do?
Phase one, bro. Smashed it with one trade. That's all I needed. High RR traders. You get me?
Alright, bro. Good shit, bro. Good shit. With me, bro. Yeah, I locked myself up today. There's no trading opportunities. I'm not gonna force any trade setups. Yeah, this is going on my YouTube, by the way. So, yeah. Literally nothing. There was nothing. There was literally nothing. And right now, if there's a trading setup or whatnot, it is what it is. It's low probability day. There's no news Monday. Just don't force it, innit? Yeah, so
that's the mindset of a smart and patient man.
Yes,
guys,
sir.
Follow your rules.
The guy that fucking trades 3 times a day, but hey!
No, I'm not risking 1%. I'm risking 0.125%.
Alright, but he passed the account, yo, in one trade.
Yeah,
Ah, what a guy! And you put Godzilla as well. Did you put Godzilla?
Exactly.
Bro, no wonder you passed the account. No wonder you passed the account. Alright, bro. Good shit, bro. Good shit. Good shit.
Yes.
Contract.
Yes.
Now we're lock in. Lock the fuck in. So you can pass that phase 2 as well. And then you don't fucking be an idiot and try and catch a fifth. Like, just try secure payout. Just try it.
Yeah. I will.
Alright, bro. Alright, bro.
Oh, man.
Alright, bro. I'm gonna
leave you because I'm eating. But yeah, it was a pleasure learning you there. Quit keeping you updated.
Alright, bro. It's a pleasure, bro. Good shit, bro. Good shit. Take care, bro. Yeah, bro. I mean, this is how it goes. Some people are eating, some people don't. That's how trading is, bro. Am I gonna FOMO? Am I gonna take a dumb trade? No. Everyone's in their own journey, alright? And yeah, bro, I'm happy. Happy for my friend. You know. He hasn't gotten a payout yet, but he will, God willing. I mean, he technically has gotten approved. He hasn't. He technically has, but he hasn't gotten approved because of some shit firm. Didn't let him. So that kind of fucked his psychology. Not gonna lie. But yeah, bro. That's it. You know, we got Previous Delo here. That's it, bro. That's it for me today. Made $0, but hey, what matters is following the rules and the strategy. You know what I'm saying? Cause it just way better. Let's say if you don't do this, bro. Let's say you don't do this, bro. Like, you low key just don't want to get a good trade. So yeah, follow up for more content like this. And yeah, bro, it's been a pleasure for you guys. Make sure to go down in my link in my bio. I'm gonna, I basically have all of my things, like my market outlook. I just tell what I want to see before market open, and most likely, the draws get hit. So yeah, I'm chilling right now. Nothing really to do now. I'm basically done with my trading day. It's kind of boring, to be fair. But yeah, I'm gonna probably edit this now, and I'm gonna finish off with eating. And yeah, bro, it's a pleasure, bro. Peace.